Ulitin mo, pray. Everyone, we are here at Wendy's to eat our dinner tonight. San Miguel, Princess, and Ronak, Sis, hello. Bakit ano yun?
Mali yung order. Single yung binigay, double da.
Okay, God bless everyone. Let's eat our dinner tonight. Hamburger and fried chicken. Nak, okay. Salamat sa treat, Princess. San, hello. Okay, 12 more. Okay, God bless everyone. Hi. Tingin ka.